Right. So nice job, Justin. Got it right. Alex, maybe almost right. I will do this in a slow mode. In the next class, I will speed up. So z to the 24th equals to 1. I can let z equals r cis theta. In the future, I will switch up like r, e, I theta. You gotta live in both worlds. 以后呢，我会随时切换为这个形式，就是你那个符号一定要就是熟练。So now we get r to the 24th cis 24th theta equals to 1. R is equal to 1 for sure. You just don't even care, by the way, because you just want real numbers. 1, that is going to be cis 0. And 24 theta, that is going to be 0. I'm not going to write it. 2k pi. And theta is equal to 2k pi divided by 24, which is k pi divided by 12. And this is true for k from 0, 1, 2, all the way to 23. And now, we only concern if theta is real. This means that it is either going from, so k pi, theta must be in with 0 or pi. 它至少 23. 哦，我们先看一下 C6, sorry. We will look at C06. That's the first step. And for 06, I don't even care about the R. That's going to be cis 6 theta. So 6 theta is equal to 6 theta. That's it is pi over 2. Right? Yeah, k pi over 2. We still get these 24 values. In order for this to be true, we know that 2 divides k pi. 也就是 k pi 是一个偶数。因为我们画了这个6 theta 的时候，它要么在这里，要么在这里，所以呢，它就是这里是一个整数成拍，就k 是一个整数，整数成拍。那么如果 k 是一个偶数的话，应该k 是一个偶数的话，那肯定是24除以2等于12个。Alex 当时你怎么看呢？是漏看了一半是吧？
就是当时我只算的是什么时候等于1，没有算那个负1。
OK。Phoebe 呢？当然在哪一步？
老师就是你截止的时候，我刚选完，然后忘记按那个啥了，就是按那个确定的。
你得了多少？
啊？
你答案是多少？
12。
好的，明白，很好。